This is part 2 of the model trains at Bekonscot Model Village, and yeah, and maybe some signal boxes. Enjoy! Like in part 1, I saw Hampton Station signal box so far. So that building over there is Mary Lou's signal box, which is just over there, Mary Lou Station for the Bekonscot Model Village model trains. Yeah, so this is basically model trains and signal box video, but a part 2. So part 1 only has one signal box, which is the Hampton Station one. And also the semaphore signal is about to go up. Oh no, I think no, it went down. It's the train's going. It's gone back up. Cool.
Can you see the big windmill as well?
That's a bonus. Just a little update. I will also be making some signal box videos that you will find at Bekonscot Model Village. So yeah, you'll see that. But this is also a signal box video, but I'll make a proper one. So because I want to try and find something. This will be dedicated to my grandpa Paul. So I'm going to finish the video here. Apologies if it was short, but you know, there's more stuff to see at Bekonscot. So you'll see more videos, and yeah, you'll see more videos depending on what ones I make here. Ciao.